Dude, this is just too cool. I'm so hyped for this. This is AudioBash, and it's basically a wrapper that hosts or that holds a PowerShell or a terminal or whatever inside of it so that I can use my voice and use any one of these APIs or a local model with Parakeet with NVIDIA to dictate using Gemini to transcribe much better than the standard Windows or even Mac dictation. But not just transcribe directly, but translate my diction into working shell commands for PowerShell command or bash. And then my favorite part is it's triggered by a keyboard shortcut, Alt+S, and then it automatically sends that to the terminal or to Claude Code. So I'll show you what that looks like. So I save this. Oh, and it saves my project directories. I can star or save project directories. So if I want to do a regular bash command, I can just say open notepad. And if it gets it wrong, which it usually does, oh, it got it right on the first time. If it gets it wrong, it saves the last few error messages or responses from the terminal so that it has better context of what is happening, so it can adjust its commands. Open Edge. And if I want to bring it back to the center, I just hit Alt-H, and it comes back. So now if I navigate to one of my project folders and I want to do Claude, I can load up Claude Code or Gemini CLI or Codex, and it runs right in here. I can log in with my subscription, so I don't have to use the API for this. The API usage is just for the voice transcription, and I can pin this if I want this to stay up. But once Claude Code loads, I switch from agent mode, which translates the speech into CLI commands, switch from that over to raw, and then it only, hold on, let me close these. Then it only sends the actual commands. So here we go, ready? And it doesn't matter what window I have open. So if I have this open here, if I have Twitter open, I can do describe this project to me in 10 words or less. And that was sent to the command here. Look, it's already sent. I don't even have to come back and hit enter. So I can have this open on the side, and I can have the internet open, and I can be previewing my project or whatever. And then I could just be browsing, and I could be like, oh, I gotta tell me a little bit more about this, and keep going while I'm in this window. And it still can talk to Claude Code and back. This is so awesome. I'm so happy with this. It's called AudioBash.